How long have you been a Cornwell dealer?
A little bit over a year. So about a year and 4 months.
Great. And what did you do before you became a Cornwell dealer?
Before, I was actually a complete opposite. I was a line cook in the Bellagio. So I have my entire culinary degree. So it's like a complete 180 from what I was doing before. Wow. But yeah.
And what made you decide to change careers?
Kind of sounds like everyone else's kind of excuse, but more so like the money wise of it. I don't want to work forever. So being that my dad does it and my sister does it, I know that it's kind of like a good opportunity for me to set myself up early to not work forever in hopes.
Yeah.
Because I feel like no one wants to work forever. So if I have the opportunity to, why not?
How long did you think about changing careers before you did?
Well, before I switched from working at the Bellagio to this one, I had worked with my dad for about 6 months. So on my days off from over there, I would work with him on my 2 days off. So I was working about 7 days straight, which I feel like if I'm doing that, maybe that means I actually like it, because if no one wants to work 7 days straight unless you absolutely have to. So those 6 months definitely kind of created my opinion on what I wanted to do. It's nice because you can really, it's your own thing. Like you can say whatever you want, which is nice compared to like your other jobs, obviously within reason. But you just kind of get to do your own thing with the mobile tools. And it's, I don't know, it's just a different, coming from a completely 180 job to this one, you just have more control over what you're doing. Because it is your own business, it's the tools that you're selling and just the people that you're talking to kind of make it what it is, like more of like a unique job in a way.
What is the most rewarding part of being a Cornwell dealer?
Being able to be your own boss, and like I was saying earlier, to like do, kind of make your own schedule. You can kind of plan to how much money you want to make, because how much you put into it is how much you get out of it, is what I've really taken from this job for the most part. It's just fun. Like the people you talk to make it fun. Obviously, it's like with every job, there's those stressors and like those few people where it's like kind of test your patience. But I've learned a lot doing this so far. So it's like those couple of shops that I have that like really make my days more fun. Like Thursdays, I love my Thursdays. It just depends on like the shops and the people, because like the people really do make your days better, especially if like you are having a bad day or if like it feels repetitive. The people kind of make it more fun. So it's not always feeling like you're waking up and doing the same routine over and over again.
What challenges have you overcome to become successful?
A lot. The most challenges is like my patience with a lot of them. Like with this job, I've learned a lot about patience, a lot about like seeing how much I can actually handle within a task, or like problem solving and critical thinking. With this one, it's like the hardest part was my patience, because with some people, I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about. And then they're getting mad at me and I'm like, I can't get mad at you, but I want to get mad. But it's like, it's mostly just the patience is what has been my biggest hurdle with everything.
What advice do you have for someone considering becoming a tool dealer?
Just keep going. Just like keep trying. Even if it gets like hard or like difficult, because everything's going to be stressful. The grass isn't always greener on the other side. Just keep trying. It's a new week, a new day. It's only a temporary inconvenience at the moment. Just keep going. It'll get better. You can be your own boss. I'm Jenna Castaneda and I'm a Cornwell dealer.